Hello everyone and welcome back to Skills Academy. In this video, I am going to show you how to spy on your competitors' Facebook ads for free. Anyone who is creating an ad, of course, wants it to be successful. Unfortunately, success is not something that you can easily predict. Well, at least in most cases, but when it comes to Facebook ad campaigns, there are a few tricks that you can use in order to create an outstanding advertisement. One of the first things that you have to do before even coming up with your own Facebook ad campaign, have a close look at what your competitors have created. Are you ready to become a spy? Of course, there are plenty of tools to choose from. Some of those might cost you thousands of dollars annually, while others require a small one-time payment. However, we all know that even the most expensive tool can't guarantee success. So why pay at all if there's an amazing option that is totally free? Ad Library is a special tool that was launched by Facebook. This program was created to provide political advertising transparency. With the help of this tool, users were able to find all politics-related ads on Facebook and Instagram. However, the access to all currently running campaigns was opened. That means that today you can look through the ads that interest you the most, without even logging in if you want. The greatest news is that this tool is as simple as it can be. Basically, anyone can use Ad Library by following these steps. First thing you need to do is turn off ad block if you use it, of course. You have the option to select any country you want. However, we do recommend choosing all countries to get the fullest impression possible. Make a list of the exact names of your competitors. It will make the search much easier. Use the name to start the search in Facebook Ad Library. Don't worry, if the search bar is not working, you can always use facebook.com to find the fan page of your competitors. After that, copy the name and paste it into the search bar. The links to the ads can be shared. However, do bear in mind that the links might stop working in few days as ad campaigns are relaunched or put on pause pretty often. If you found a project of particular interest, save the ad using Google Drive or Dropbox. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Learn from your competitors to see how you can run a successfully ad campaign. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.